Hey guys, Charles here, back again with another video. worshipguitarskills.com, the place to be if you want to improve your worship guitar skills. And today we're going to take it further by looking at the rhythmic approaches you have available when it comes to improvising and composing parts. This is video 3 of a multi-part series. So we started with checking out chord shapes, and then we looked at using the pentatonic scale together with triads. And now I'm going to take that same pentatonic idea and the triads, and I'm going to kind of ramp it up a little bit from a rhythmic perspective and show you what is possible. Let's check it out. First of all, I'm going to just improvise a part, and then afterwards we'll break it down and kind of see how that all came to be. Alright, so that's kind of fun sounding stuff. It's basically the D pentatonic scale. And then I'm adding in some additional notes from the triads. So I think it went something like... something like that, right? So what the idea is, I've got the pentatonic scale. Right, and I can do some fun stuff with it, and then I'm bringing in why am I bringing in this? Other than it sounding cool, this C sharp comes from the A triad, and that G comes from the G triad. The C sharp and the G is not part of this. It's not part of the pentatonic scale, but I can bring them in when I want. So I've got a bit of a delay, and that might be the understatement of the year because it's quite a lot of delay, but so all I'm doing is I'm playing. Alright, melodically it can't really get any simpler than that, but the delay and the palm muting and the interplay of the actual delayed notes and all I'm doing there is it gets me to kind of experiment a little bit and play something that is not so rhythmic, right? But the combination of those two things gives a pretty cool sound. So all you've got to do, get a progression, jam over it, using the pentatonic scale and palm muting. And then just add in some additional notes for some fun and spice. Alright, so let me do the same idea but in a different key. We're going to do it in the key of E, and we'll play a 4-1-5-6 progression. Let's see what we can come up with over there. Alright, so it's the pentatonic scale, but I'm starting on A, so I'm going then E, B, C sharp. Let me play it for you one more time. So the idea is none of this was planned beforehand, but I just decided on the scale and the triads, and then I realized if I'm playing A to E to B to C sharp minor, then for A, for E, for B, for C sharp. Alright, there's so much that you can do, but I'm purposefully playing more rhythmically on the guitar to see what I can come up with to kind of spice things up a little bit. So that is what you want to work on when you practice these ideas on the guitar. We looked at chords, we looked at pentatonic scale, adding in triad notes for the longer notes we want to rest on notes, and then we also looked at a more rhythmic approach, specifically with a nice delay and some palm muting. Alright, that is how you just choose an area on the guitar, a key, an approach. Those were constraints, right? I had to stick within those constraints, and throughout doing that I was able to be more creative because I had some cool melodic, rhythmic and harmonic devices at my disposal. So we teach all of this stuff at length on this channel and also in even more detail at our Worship Guitar Skills Academy. If you want to find out more about that, email us at support@worshipguitarskills.com. We can tell you about everything on offer, and as always, like, comment, subscribe and let us know what you think of the videos. It's always great hearing back from our subscribers. Love you guys. Have an awesome one. Have fun on the guitar. That's what it was made for. And develop your skills, because the more you develop your worship guitar skills, the more fun you have and the more conviction and confidence you can play with, and therefore you can make a difference in your worship team and ultimately in the lives of people, because they get to have a powerful encounter with God through an intimate time of worship, which you are instrumental at creating. All right, have a good one, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.